Hi friends, today I am going to start with the physics first chapter, class 6 physics first chapter, that is matter. Now what is matter? Anything which occupy space and have a definite shape and can be perceived by our sense is basically called matter. Now there are basically three states of matter. What are they? Solid, liquid and gaseous. Now from these three states of matter I have taken one state of matter, that is solid, and today I am going to explain what is solid and its features. Now solids are basically anything which have a definite shape, have a definite volume and occupy space is basically called a solid. There are some properties of solid. The properties of solids are, what are the properties of solids? Now friends, the properties of solids are: solids occupy space, it has a definite mass, solids have a definite volume, and solids have a definite shape. Now how we can know solids occupy space? In this bottle, in this bowl, I am taking some water. Let me take some water. In this cup I have taken some water, and the measuring of the water I have measured is 3 centimeter. Now I am giving this liquid, this solid substance inside it, and now I am measuring. Let me measure. I am measuring with a scale, centimeter scale, or 30 centimeter scale. It is measuring 4 centimeter. So from here we can understand liquid also have a definite shape. That means liquids have not have a definite shape, but it is sitting in its, and we know that liquid in any object they are poured into, they take its shape. Now it has taken the shape of the container, and now solids have a definite shape. And when I am putting this solid inside the liquid, what I will see that the solid is taking its own shape inside it. That means solids occupy space. Inside this solid is occupying space. So I think it's clear. Now come to solids have a definite volume. How solids have a definite volume? I have taken some one bowl. Now I have put some water. I am putting some water. Let me put some water. I have put some water. Now inside the water I am giving this solid thing. You can see solids has occupied its volume. How? Because solids have a definite shape, and we know inside liquid the solids occupy its own space, and the space occupied by solid is basically its volume. Now it is occupying space inside it, and the solids have a definite volume. From here we can understand. Now solids have a definite shape. How we can understand? I have taken one glass. Now I am putting this solid inside it. The glass is basically empty, and if it is empty means we know there are some water, there are some air present inside it. Inside the air, when I am putting a solid, it is occupying its shape. It is occupying its shape and sitting inside it. So I think this experiment is also better to you. Now come to solids have a definite mass. How we can understand? I have taken 1 minute. I have taken a cup with a glass. Now I have put a solid substance inside the glass, and I have not put anything inside the cup. Now when I am doing like this, that means when I am measuring with my hand, I can see this hand is weighing more. This glass is weighing more. Why? Than this. Why? Because there is no solid substance inside it, and which is why it is weighing less. And there is some solid substance, that is there is some unnecessary things inside it, and which is why it is weighing more. That means the shape, the weight occupied by this glass is basically the shape of the solid that is having inside it this solid, and there is nothing inside it, which is why it is not weighting, it is weighting more than this. So I think the solid part is clear to all of you. So if you have any problem, I will again make another video for your better understand. So for today, bye. And one thing, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So for today, bye.